Hello, I am Gia Bustos, also known as Mommy G of TATY Manila. I am a mom to 3 kids. I am the Chief Creative Officer and Facilitator of TATY Manila, and I am a homeschooling mom. I would always see those furnitures and houses in those magazines so amazing that it somehow led me to have the eye or the desire to design and to build something. Fast forward, I entered the world of architecture. TATY, our claim to fame is our woodworking for kids, ages 2 to 12. TATY, it's TATY. It means Thrive and Thrive Yard. Thrive because we are a maker space wherein we want young people to have the safe space where they can create. And then Thrive because we also want to be a hub for other artisans. And the Yard for the obvious reason that we are located dito sa backyard. Kuya Arnold, which is our in-house carpenter, to make everything possible and to provide this opportunity for the kids.
First powerhouse power tool na nabili namin
is the table saw. Actually, talagang pinag-ipunan namin siya to buy the tool. Sobrang mapapadali niya yung mga cutting ng mga wood namin, and yun yung nakapagpagaan ng trabaho ni Kuya Arnold. We do and then you do. First, ipapakita ko muna sa mga students on how to use that certain tool. Second, sabay namin gagawin. They have to use the right tool for the right job. During the class, gumagamit kami ng different tools, hammer, saka yung screwdriver to attach the project together. And then, we also use yung drill press to make holes. Yun yung pinaka-exciting part for the kids eh. We also uses the belt sander so we can polish the edges of the wood para maging safe lahat yung mga kids. It helps them to see carpentry is really risky and there's danger in it. It's just nice to see lang yung natural inclination ng mga bata towards making, alam mo yun, and then parang nai-empower sila pag sinasabihan mo na capable sila na gawin tong mga bagay na to. Most of the time, nangihingi ako ng feedback from the parents. So if there's one feedback na nag-stick talaga sa akin is when I asked the parent about the experience, sabi niya na, I'm just so glad that TATY exists. So with that, it reminded me na parang I have a great purpose in doing this and providing this opportunity for children. Dun pa lang, parang makikita mo na ang dami mo palang matututunan from kids kasi they will teach you to slow down and parang to just trust the process. To hear na yung mga parents na parang, uy, ang galing naman ng anak ko na nagawa niya. I would say that TATY was founded out of passion to create meaningful experiences for children. One of the main aspects that made it successful is using the right tools. If possible, parang share your passion to the younger generations kasi pwedeng maging positive yung effect nun sa kanila. You have to make your own box.
This is Mommy G of TATY Manila and this is my Kwentong Powerhouse. Sa Powerhouse, kaya!